This one is supposed to have vintage stuff at it. It was on yesterday, and it's on tomorrow too.
Okay.
7543.
Here we go.
Oh yes. That's going in my book. Get your vehicles off the
driveway.
Yeah.
That you're having the garage sale at.
Yeah.
Go park them out on the street somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, why don't you just stay in front of there?
Because I want to buy something heavy.
Oh, well, this'll do it. Parking way over here. Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Check, check. Got your mic? Oh yeah. Okay. And clip it onto my ear so it looks like an earring. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning. I got some like this from my grandmother. Aluminum.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming. Those are old.
I was just saying my grandma gave me some like that. Yeah.
They might even come from. She was from Russia, so I don't know if that came. Because yesterday I sold a bunch of a whole thing of knitting stuff and tatting, and like a lot of people don't know what tatting is.
Yeah, it's so detailed, hey?
Yeah, and so it probably did come from Russia.
Yeah, maybe. Those are sterling. We'll get those.
Cool.
See what else there is here. Nothing in here. This is kind of pretty. This.
Yeah.
It's only a quarter. Maybe I'll get that one too. There's stuff over there too?
Yep.
Okay.
That was Hungarian.
Is it?
Yeah, it came from overseas, and sometimes you just have to let go of things.
Yeah. It's lovely. Do you know how old it is or who it belonged to?
Yes, it was grandmother-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah, and she came from Crimea, Russia, but her husband's father was in the Hungarian army, and he died on the way over to Canada. And that was
Part of what they brought.
And my kids
isn't
are
that nice?
too young, they're not interested in it.
Oh, and the older. Oh, that's what I love the best.
Yeah.
The old stuff. I wonder how much it is. Or do you like it?
Yeah.
Or?
Yeah.
It's kind of interesting that it's that old. It's in excellent condition.
Yeah.
No, you had there's $5 in the pocket.
Ask her what she wants for it.
Yeah. So what were you wanting for your pillow?
Would you give me $3 for that?
Sure, I would.
Okay, thank you.
Oh yeah, and
I'm
that.
so glad that you
I
are
do
getting
like it.
$3.50. Yes.
You have to read the story.
Yeah. Yeah. I promise to take good care of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need
To
a...
try. No, I'll just.
You know what you need,
hug
young
it.
lady? You need to have a lighter purse. You're going to have problems
I
with
know. Well, this has like all my stuff. It has like a jeweler's loop and some flashlights and my keys and my wallet. You know, things I'm gonna need.
You better
My
straighten.
towels.
My
Yeah,
antacids.
yeah, stuff for him.
Nice
Okay,
meeting you.
thank you.
For coming.
I'm glad we could make her happy by getting this.
Yeah. $3. That's a great deal.
I think so.
That old pillow.
Yeah. And I'm part Hungarian.
Are you?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm part hungry.
Yeah. You're always part hungry.
My fat part. Okay.
Okay. So this one is a moving sail and it's indoor.
Okay.
And there was no time. Oh, is that the sign for it though?
Yeah, here we are.
Good. 137.
And your side should just be right up here.
Right there's the sign. So it's in the house.
Okay.
So, just in the front door here. I guess we should walk around.
Yeah. Don't hit the grass when the door opens.
Me too. Busted.
Yeah.
I did. I had like 1 foot on the grass.
That's funny.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure they wouldn't care, but. Hello.
Welcoming people not in my house. Okay, rubber on the back is not so good till $2. Okay, here, I just have to push these out.
Sure. So tempted, but they're hard to sell.
Yes. Yeah.
So cute though. Oh, what's this?
Oh, that is fur. It's like a belt. It's like a.
Or like a neck thing?
It's got these holes in it.
I know. Well, the one is for the ball to go through, right? But
Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, that's what that is.
there's 3 of them though.
Yes, you're right. That's gonna be like a scarf,
Yeah.
sort of around, and then
Yeah, but
the ball goes through like that.
I wouldn't wear it though, I don't think.
It's very fancy.
I wonder if Jerry's been here yet. Surprised he's not here right now.
Yeah.
I think that's Avon. Look at that ring. It's cute.
Sounds like the stereo works.
Yep.
Yeah. I looked at that. I looked at this one too.
Oh,
nothing on the
no. That might be gold. But it says 10 karat gold. But then I think it says filled after.
I cannot read it.
Do you want my loop?
Sure.
Do you know how to use that thing?
I can read the 10K gold.
Yeah, what does it say after that?
Sterling.
Oh,
So what does that mean?
it's gold plated.
Gold-plated silver.
Yeah. I just don't know what to make of it.
So what do you? It's broken, eh? So what do you think
Yeah.
that stone is then?
It looks like an older ring. Should we take a chance if it's not too much?
I think so.
Hold on to that and put my loop back. It probably won't be very much because it is broken.
Hopefully like a quarter.
Yeah.
Broken right there.
Yeah. But see there, it looks like the gold color all the way through. So maybe just the top is sterling? I don't.
Possibly. It could be, yeah, it could be 10 karat gold here and then sterling. on
Yeah,
top. That could be
yeah.
what it is.
I don't know.
It's just hard to say.
It's weird to have the both. Oh, there's stuff in the kitchen too, I think.
There you go.
I found a ring. Yeah. Is this yours?
Yeah.
And do you know where you got it or anything?
I don't know, someplace in town.
Oh yeah, okay.
One of
It's
the
broken, but
jewelry shops.
how much is it?
I know. What do you want to pay for it? It's got stones missing too.
Yeah,
I don't know. 50 cents?
sure.
Okay.
That works.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Just gonna have a peek and see what's in here.
Well, my dear Auntie, I don't know what I'm gonna do with you. I'll be so stressed out when I go home, I'll be a zombie. Where could you have put them?
Oh, what did you
What are you looking
lose?
for?
The keys for the garage.
Oh no.
Oh,
Set them inside the fridge when you were going for lunch?
No, I didn't.
they're not in the back porch or anything. Oh,
I usually hang them there.
But you never opened the garage. We'll just say another prayer here.
yeah, that's right. They'll show up.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks for stopping by. Didn't see anyone. It's cooling off.
Lost the keys. That sounds like you.
Yeah.
Remember when the odd time I get a ride when we weren't living together, I get a ride to work with you, and then you phone me that one time and you're like, I'm gonna be late because I can't find my keys.
Yeah, they were in my hoodie and I had my jacket done up over top of the hoodie.
But didn't you find them in your pantry once?
I don't know. Could be.
There aren't stones missing.
No, I don't think there are, but it kind of looked like there are because
It
the
did.
stones are so clear.
So she got it in town at a jewelry store.
I gotta think that those could be diamonds.
Wouldn't that be
Especially that
something?
big one in the middle.
Oh my god.
Because it's gold and silver.
Yeah, I just think it's dirty. Like, I don't know. I can't. Unless you can physically see inclusions in the diamond, I'm not knowledgeable enough to be able to tell. And usually you can't see them it's a pretty poor quality diamond if you can see them with your eyes. I don't know, it's so dirty that I can't tell.
Okay.
The color is right for gold, so. Where's my little change? Oh, there it is. It's like, where's my little change pouch that everybody likes?
Yeah.
I've had a lot of compliments on it. I have to change the string on it though, because it got weak. It started breaking.
I miss California sub.
I miss California sub too. That's where I used to
It was the best sub place in town.
go after the bar. It's even better after the bar.
I bet. It was so good.
Yeah. They had you could eat in there. Yeah.
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 Yeah, they had tables.
It was me and my one friend, and there was like these giant pictures of subs and toppings and whatever, and she took a pickle out of hers and she stuck it over the picture of the pickle, and it was stuck, and she was like, I went back to the bathroom and came back and she's like, find the pickle. We must have laughed for half an hour about
Did you not know she had done that?
No, not until I saw it. Then it was so long ago.
That's pretty funny.
And it was so funny at the time. It's just
Was that after the bar?
yeah.
Oh, well.
Yeah, of course. Oh god, it was hilarious.
Find the pickle.
She's just all calm. Find the pickle. Yeah, good times.